Today we are in the Travelodge of Liverpool, the Travelodge Central, I think it's called. Yeah, on Haymarket, Old Haymarket. This is double. Get TV. Yeah, it seems to work.
He can resolve the damp issues in the property and he will replace the damaged...
That works. We have a window which we can open, which is good. Because some of the Travelodges I've stayed in, you can't even open the window. So, right, so we've got coat hangers, like a wardrobe, pretty pillows, fan, and the desk with a chair, and a bucket chair, and bin, and of course tea, coffee, sugar, and a little kettle. If I can get it open. Yeah, looks reasonably clean. Now, 2 plug sockets there. Little side table, bedside table. Turn the main light off. And lamps. Now, check the bed. Yeah. Mattress cover. Yeah, bed's pretty clean. Mattress pretty clean. Yeah, the pillows. Yeah. Need it clean as well. Got a little storage heater as well. And then, of course, fire escape notice. And a full length mirror. Hi! And, right, we've got the bathroom. So, of course, got a shower there, and hair and body wash. Looks reasonable clean. Bin, sink, of course, mirror, toilet. Toilet pretty clean. The towels. Oh, and of course, got one for the floor and another one, which I actually noticed there was actually another towel down there, which is unusual if you got, because I'm only staying one night as well. So, and we've got another mirror there. So, yeah. So, this is Travelodge Central. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.